Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a gift card in the Shein app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Shein app. Here it opens up in the shop menu. From here you just have to go into the me menu. And then in the top right corner we have gift card. If you tap on this, here we can enter the card number and then pin to the card, and then we can tap on check balance to see how much money we have on the said gift card, or we can buy a gift card here just by tapping on one of those and then ordering it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.